Welcome back, science enthusiasts. Today we have something exciting to show you. We're going to take a closer look at the Labnet Enduro Gel XL, a powerful tool for agarose gel electrophoresis. Let's dive right in. The Labnet Enduro Gel XL is a high-quality gel electrophoresis system designed to simplify DNA and RNA separation. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or a curious student, this device is perfect for your laboratory needs. To get started first, we need to prepare our agarose gel. The Enduro Gel XL comes with a gel casting tray that has a built-in leveling bubble, ensuring a perfectly level gel. Simply pour your melted agarose mixture into the tray and wait for it to solidify. Once the gel has solidified, it's time to load our DNA or RNA samples. The Enduro Gel XL has a unique design with dual gel combs, allowing you to run multiple samples simultaneously. This saves time and increases efficiency in the lab. After loading the samples, we carefully attach the lid to the gel tank. The Enduro Gel XL has a built-in gasket that creates a leak-proof seal, preventing any buffer leakage during electrophoresis. Now that our gel is ready, it's time to connect the power supply. The Enduro Gel XL has a power supply connector conveniently located on the side of the unit. Simply plug it in, and we're ready to go. Before we start the electrophoresis process, it's crucial to set the desired voltage and time on the power supply. The Labnet Enduro Gel XL offers precise voltage control, ensuring accurate separation of DNA or RNA fragments. Once we've set the parameters, we turn on the power supply, and the electrophoresis process begins. The Labnet Enduro Gel XL provides a constant and uniform electric field, promoting efficient separation of DNA or RNA fragments based on their size. After the electrophoresis is complete, we can remove the lid and carefully remove the gel from the tray. The Enduro Gel XL has a gel breakage indicator, making gel extraction easier and reducing the risk of damaging our samples. And there you have it, folks. The Labnet Enduro Gel XL, a powerful and user-friendly tool for agarose gel electrophoresis. Its advanced features, such as the built-in leveling bubble, dual gel combs, leak-proof seal, and precise voltage control, make it an excellent choice for any laboratory. If you're interested in learning more about the Labnet Enduro Gel XL or other fantastic laboratory equipment, be sure to check out our channel for more. If you're interested in learning more about the Labnet Enduro Gel XL or other fantastic laboratory equipment, be sure to check out our channel for more.